exercise number 11.1, fourth problem, fifth problem, same type of problems. Now I am doing one problem. Many methods are there, but with one method I am doing fourth problem. Given what means cos A is equal to 12 by 13. When this type of ratio is given, what you do? One right angle triangle you draw. Okay, now with A means I am taking here A, B, C. Okay, A we are giving means here I am taking down that much only. You can take here also, no problem. But here angle B is 90 degrees. Other than means here A means this is not 90 degrees. That much only. A means anywhere you take except 90 degrees you take this one as A, this one as A. Anything. Okay, now. You know implies. What you know? Cos A's ratio adjacent to A by hypotenuse is equal to ratio I am writing. Cos A means adjacent to A by hypotenuse. This is the ratio of cos A is equal to 12 by 13, 12 by 13. Over. Now by comparing, we should write one step. By comparing, adjacent to A value is 12, hypotenuse value is 30. Like that. Means adjacent to A is equal to 12. This is A means here, actually this is 90 degrees means directly hypotenuse. This is A means according to A this is hypotenuse. This is what? Opposite. Opposite to A. This is touching this side, that's why this is adjacent to A. First of all. This first of all you should give. Next, by comparison, adjacent to A is equal to 12. Adjacent to A means this is 12. Hypotenuse is equal to 13. Okay. First, whatever, this also, many problems are there. First, whatever trigonometrical ratio is given, by right angle triangle, this is the ratio of this one. This one, by comparison, this value goes to adjacent one, this value goes for hypotenuse. Now, we know this side and this side, you don't know this side. Now by Pythagoras theorem, by comparison this one, adjacent to A is equal to 12, hypotenuse is equal to 13. Whenever right angle triangle two sides values are known, third side we don't know, by Pythagoras theorem, what you know? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Implies hypotenuse 13 square is equal to side square. This is hypotenuse gone, side means what? This one, BC square plus AB square. Implies 13 square is equal to, one more value is given to you, this also 12. 13 square is equal to BC square plus AB square. 13 square is equal to 13 square only I am writing is equal to BC we don't know, BC square plus AB 12 square, this square implies 13 square, 13 into 13 multiply there, 169 is equal to BC square, 12 into 12, 12 is 144, implies 169 minus 144, you bring this side to this side, minus is equal to BC square, implies, here I am writing, implies 169 minus 144, 169 minus 144, 25. 25 implies 25 is equal to BC square, implies this one I am writing this one, BC square is equal to 25, implies BC is equal to square root of 25, implies BC is equal to square root of 25, 5. Now BC value also you got, that is 5. Over. Now whatever is asking with what? With A he is asking, A. With A only he is asking. Sin A is equal to opposite to A by hypotenuse is equal to, opposite to A is what here? 5 by hypotenuse is what? 30. Therefore sin A is equal to this one. Next is cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent to A by hypotenuse is equal to, adjacent to A is how much? 12 by hypotenuse is 30. This is cos A. Like this, all values you can find. Tan A is asking tan A. Tan A is equal to what? Opposite to A by adjacent to A is equal to opposite to A what here? 5 by 5 by adjacent to A is what? 12. This is 12. This is tan A. With sign you can find cosec. Cosec A is equal to 13 by 5. Reciprocal cos A is equal to reciprocal 13 by 12. Cot A is equal to 12 by 5. All values you can get it. Okay. Next is fifth problem. You see, small change. Fifth problem. 3 tan A is equal to 3 tan A is equal to 4 implies, with this what you can write means tan A is equal to 4 into number will come by 3. Same again. Implies tan A's ratio opposite to A by adjacent to A is equal to 4 by 3. Now right angle triangle here. Right angle triangle. A, here I am taking A, B, C, here angle. According to this one, this is opposite. This is opposite to A. This is adjacent to A. This is angle B. This is hypotenuse over. Now by comparing opposite to A value is 4. Adjacent to A, 3. We don't know this side. We should find that side by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square implies hypotenuse we don't know. Hypotenuse square is equal to side means here BC square plus side this one AB square implies hypotenuse we don't know. Hypotenuse square is equal to BC is what 4 square plus 3 square implies hypotenuse square is equal to 16 plus 9 implies 4 square means 4 into 4. 3 square means 3 into 3. Hypotenuse square is equal to 25 implies hypotenuse is equal to square I am removing square root implies hypotenuse is equal to 5. Hypotenuse value you got as 5. This is 5. Now what is asking? Find sin A. With this you can find any ratio. Sin A is equal to opposite to A by hypotenuse is equal to opposite to A 4 by hypotenuse 5. This is the value of sin A. Next is cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent to A by hypotenuse is equal to adjacent to A is 3 by hypotenuse is 5. This is cos A. Like that, all trigonometrical ratios you can find. Tan A. Tan A is equal to what? Opposite to A by adjacent to A. Okay. This is equal to opposite to A is how much? 4 by adjacent to A is how much? 3. This is tan A. With this you can find cosec A. Cosec A is equal to 5 by 4. Sec A is equal to 5 by 3. Tan means cot. Cot A is equal to 3 by 4. Khatam over. All this